Welcome back again. So fifth rule is moving the summing point ahead of the block. So this is the third element of block diagram, that is moving the summing point ahead of the block. Suppose there is a summing point having two inputs A and B, and the gain, transfer function gain, that is G. So output will be here first block output summing point A plus B, and output after the gain block, that is AG into BG. So the summing point will be take ahead to the block, so we can transfer this summing point here. So output as same as it is, so we just see we can add one G block here. Okay, so how can solve? So this is gain one first block, so we can take this summing point to the here, add one G block, so this is B input, this is A input. So second input for the summing point is from above, and here the first input, so output will be AG plus BG. So after taking a summing point ahead, the final output will be same as it is, so we just add one G block. Similarly, we take a moving summing point before the block. Moving summing point before the block. This is ahead the block or before the block. Now suppose a system having summing point here is a block, this is a summing point, A into G, the output AG into B, AG into B. If I want to moving this summing point before this block, so what should we do? We just take a reciprocal of that block and add this reciprocal into this, so we can see, so B into so we can take this summing point here 1 by G this summing point is take before this block, so after taking a summing point before block. So we get the same output as it is, AG plus B. So here output is A plus BG. After multiply this equation with this, we get this output. So this is the moving block. So we can just take a reciprocal before shifting a summing point to the before the block. Now similarly, seventh rule, if we want to interchange the summing points, interchanging summing point. Suppose here are the two summing points, which take the input A and B, A plus B. Here is a plus, and another summing point which is take a input minus C, then the output will be A plus B plus minus C. If we want to take this summing point, interchange this summing point, just follow the step. We take this summing point before just interchange. So A plus minus input C B. So output will be A plus B minus C. So this is after interchanging the summing points. Now eighth rule, splitting the summing point. Or we can say combining, vice versa, combining summing point. Suppose a summing point consists of input A plus B plus C. So here a summing point which consists of 3 input and 1 output. So A, B and C. So I want to split this complicated summing point into two summing points. Just simply, how will be possible? So take two summing points. So this complicated summing point, which is divided into two summing points, A plus B then output of these two applying to the second summing point, and which produce the output A plus B minus C, which is similar to this one. So this summing point which is combining into two, and the combining two summing points, if we combine these two, we'll get same result. So this is a splitting of summing point, and vice versa, if we combine these two, we'll get this answer. Now rule number 9, that is elimination of feedback loop. So feedback may be two types: positive feedback and negative feedback. Here is a consider example of negative feedback. It consists of one summing point having input A, gain G, and feedback that is H. So I want to remove this feedback that is H. So this is R of S, that is input, C of is a response of the input. So if you want to remove this feedback, so we can simply take a single block which consists of R and C, so G into 1 plus GH. So whenever the negative feedback, then the transfer function G into 1 plus GH, and when the positive feedback, then the transfer function G into divided by 1 minus GH. So this is the simple reduction rules which is very important while dealing with the block diagram reductions and solving the block diagram examples. So we can stop here. Thank you.